Hello students, in this video we're going to talk about using synthetic division and other ways to divide polynomials. So there's long division as a method of dividing a polynomial, and we're going to look at that next. But a shortcut is to use this thing called synthetic division. So the way synthetic division works is that we take the coefficients of our polynomial and put them in this sort of half box shape. So I have to put my coefficients in descending order, and if I'm missing any coefficients, I have to fill in with zeros. So descending, and add zeros if necessary. Then on the outside, when I'm dividing by x minus k, I put the k here. So here, this is the root, or what would be the root if there is no remainder. So root. All right, so then the next thing I do is I take this leading coefficient and think about just sliding it down. You could also fill in a zero if that helps, because always what I do is I take these two numbers and I add them up. So a plus 0 will be a. The next thing I do is take the product, so k times a, and then I fill it in here. So I get my ka. And then I add down. So I'd get b plus ka, or ka plus b. I repeat the process. So over here I would end up with k squared a plus bk. And then I would add down k squared a plus bk plus c. I would again multiply. So then I'd get k cubed a plus k squared b plus kc. Add down. And that is going to give me my remainder. So this bit is your remainder. These bits make up the coefficients of the quotient. So notice we started in this case with a cubic divided by linear. That means what I'll have left is quadratic. So this will be ax squared plus ka bx plus k squared a plus bk plus c as the constant term. So let's look at an example of how this works. All right, so leading coefficients are 1, -3, -10. I don't need to fill in any zeros. Here I put a 5, bring down the 1, multiply, add, multiply, add, and I get 0. So notice I had quadratic divided by linear, so that means that if I take x squared minus 3x minus 10 and divide by x minus 5, what I get is x plus 2. I can check this easily because this actually factors. I know that x squared minus 3x minus 10 factors into x minus 5 times x plus 2. So notice if I multiplied this to the other side, I get my statement of truth here.